Hey everyone, this is Ahmad, and welcome back to CodeBooks Academy. Today's episode is about turning the guessing game of roadmap planning into a data-driven strategy with the help of AI. Let's talk about the real challenge in product planning. We're often overwhelmed by too many feature ideas, with conflicting priorities from different teams. There's no clear framework to evaluate what matters most, while stakeholder pressure keeps piling on. And the result? Delayed delivery and frustrated users. This is where AI makes all the difference. Instead of guessing, you can feed in your feature ideas, effort estimates, and customer feedback. AI helps you apply smart scoring methods, like Rice or Moscow, so your decisions are based on data, not politics or pressure. The result? Smarter prioritization, less bias, faster outcomes. Here are 5 powerful tools that help you prioritize product features using AI. Start with Airtable and GPT. They let you rank and sort features using custom AI scoring. Notion AI and Productboard are great for syncing documentation with customer feedback. And if you're working at scale, Jira Align and custom GPT workflows help align priorities across teams. So what does this actually mean for your product team? You'll ship the right features faster, not just more features. You'll make smarter data-driven decisions that reduce risk. And you'll build trust with your users, your stakeholders, and your team. So here's your next step. Take your top 10 feature ideas, drop them into a GPT-powered scoring tool, or use Airtable to rank by value and effort. Let AI do the heavy lifting so you can focus on building what matters most. Don't forget to subscribe to CodeBooks Academy and comment your use case below. And don't forget to catch the next episode, Instant Market Research with AI.